Guys, so this is what the Aki looks like open. Give me here. If the Aki lock up like this, don't pick the Aki off of the people that got tree and force eat it. We poison you. Some Aki no. Normally how we pick Aki is we use a stick and then come under the tree. Mommy, much Aki in the pan this tree I like the next one.
Which one?
Oh, the first one.
Oh, what about Aki Palma and tree over here then?
So Aki and saltfish is our national dish, not rice and peas. What's your head area?
No, sir, what?
Come, move.
Right, one of it.
Where am I put them in now?
So I'm bucket here.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna mine them bounces down. I'm gonna pick up the Akis now and we'll go over after. What the Aki looks like open. Give me here. If the Aki lock up like this, don't pick the Aki off of the people that got tree and force eat it. We poison you. You have to wait until it's open or opening like this. You have to do open. So me I go pick them out now. I like to see it. Oh dear, that feet are not good. I like to catch. So basically I go take them out of the Aki parts. You found one?
Yeah.
It's open?
Yeah. It's open. Go pick some more.
So, these are some of the things that we do in Jamaica. You know, on a day-to-day basis, because if you notice, Jamaicans generally, like when they eat, like, they call them sun foods. They live a little bit longer because, you know, they eat natural food. Food will come directly from the tree. You practice to do that, you find you live a little bit longer.
Melissa, I can't see your face. Hey, Melissa.
Hi.
You good?
Yes. Come around here.
Yeah. That's funny. Let's get some more.
So, the Aki leaf now, if you have a lot of mosquito problem, what they normally do is like just pick some of this and lay it on a counter or something. And we run the mosquito then. Hot. Speak properly for me, please. I found
some.
Okay.
Hey, Melissa. Hey, Melissa.
You have to come around here and tell me hey. Hey Aria,
Hey, hey.
how you doing?
Good.
Come here. Come on here. Aki
Aki
is
is,
Aki and Saltfish.
yes.
Aki and Saltfish
Yeah, Aki and starfish
is
is
your
your
national
national
dish.
dish.
That means that's what we eat.
Yes. Ital.
Yes.
Ital, me go get some more.
Yeah, go get more.
Yes.
Hey guys, the sun is pretty hot. It's almost 12. Repping Skylife shirt. I wanted to show you guys my butt and thigh lifter. I have it on. This is not my size.
Thank you.
See there. Pick out some more. Aki.
Take time, man, fall.
Elisa,
Yeah.
here them all.
Carry bucket come, Aria. Alright, make it stay.
Show them over here. Let's show you the pad over there. Show them over here. Right, Hallandale.
Mommy, me throw enough over the side.
We don't want none of this to come in and right them on fire over
So me to pick up it back again and move them.
Just to throw them over there.
This one is actually bigger than my size, so this is a large, I think. I need a smaller size. Take it up.
Okay.
Put them in a pan, take them outside. No, you will drop, you know, Aria. Because the trade in a wood.
No.
Go on, put them in. See one more over there.
Yeah. I know.
Go for it. Look for the next one. I two of them. Take up in two there.
Okay. This one
Mm-hmm.
and this one. Here.
Oops.
At least I can help me with this.
Hold one side. Hold right here.
Okay.
Ollie. Pull your pan. Take it out. Take out this.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Pull one side.
Oh.
Butter, Aki. So we finish now?
No,
How come?
you don't finish it. I'll see more now.
Go on, put it in a bucket.
Okay.
Go on, Aria. And next go over tree. Come take up a friend this Aria and this we are go take up a friend this so.
Okay.
Over we they go.
1, 2, 4 bush get you.
Guys, this is where I end the vlog. Aria, say bye to the vlog.
Bye.
Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and definitely show the love. Leave a comment in the comment section. I really want to hear from you. Leave that thing. Take up your Aki and come on. Where Aki there?
Oh.
This is to get the Aki, the most important thing.
Okay.
Come on.
I come in.
Aki,
Wow.
they're not open yet.
Okay.
It's not open one.
We can pick some. We can pick some.
No, we're not pick no more. Take up your luggage.
Oh.
Go, go, go. Military, military. Go, 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 go. I really wanted to show you the guinea tree. We have a lot of guinea trees. Let me zoom in. I never know see them. Guinea, 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 guinea. Look, come on, me, I don't care hungry. One thing.